was trying too hard. I'm not here living though. I am not here living though.
What's up, MB gang? It's Main B here, and I am back with another mother freaking video. As you read by the title, you already know what we're doing. We're about to do a knotless braid tutorial, however you say the word. But that's what we're about to do, y'all. This was actually fairly quick. I started at 12 and I've done my makeup and everything, and it is 5:30. That's not bad. That's not bad. I done got dressed, did my makeup, and did my hair. That's not bad. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, first things first, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. You already know, join the gang, because if you ain't gang, you lame. If it's up, then it's stuck and be gang. Like, come on, come on. I'm not gonna keep saying this, you know what I mean? So yes, you guys, like I said, leave a comment, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. I got some things that I'm conjuring up, so if you want to be notified and you want to be the first to watch the video, let me know. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more hairstyles and tutorials like this one. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into the video. Gots to be able to see. So as you can see, I have not parted this. I just sectioned off what I wanted. Let me show you guys the braids that I want to do. They're not going to be super big. We're going to give like, yeah, that's what we giving. This is so hard because it's really just kind of like a feeling. Like, does it feel straight? Let's see how well we did there. Turn the chair around.
That's nuts, Lily.
I'm content with that, you guys. There's absolutely no product in my hair. I washed it with my Although Pain There's Beauty shampoo, charcoal times peppermint, and I conditioned it with my Although Pain There's Beauty charcoal times peppermint conditioner. That is my hair care line, if you guys did not know. After I finish braiding my hair, I'm going to go in with my oil, of course. But yeah, rinse all that out. My hair is free of product, you guys. Free of product. I don't have anything on my hair.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Okay, so far I have 4 sections, and at the top, based off of the picture, I'm referencing the picture based off of how I'm going to part my hair, pretty much. So based off the picture, I'm going to go ahead and do my part all the way down the middle in this whole section, and then section it twice, so it'll be 6 sections in the middle part total. Okay. Alright, babe, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's Outre Expression. I'm going to be using it in the color 4 just because my hair is like a light brown, and that's what this hair gives, you know what I mean? So I have, this hair is $5.98 from the Beauty Supply store. It's 52 inches. I got 5 packs of this hair, you guys. I got a little drawer under here, so I'm just going to kind of like part these sections. I mean, get little pieces of hair so that they're like ready. Of course, y'all know I watched a YouTube video because y'all know that's what I do. I'm not gonna come on here if I ain't watch nothing to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. But I have one little piece of hair. She said to start off small if you have thick hair. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't know how many pieces of hair I'm going to use for each braid. I'm just gonna see.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart fly the phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, ET. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me and three of me when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels.
And she came through and turned me up. Now she just a groupie.
What he say?
What they want, what they want, what they want. Dollar signs, yeah, I know it's what they want.
Alright, you guys, so we are on our last and final braid. So far it has taken me 3 hours to do, and that's with me recording and me like doing little TikToks and stuff in between. Of course, y'all already know I've been jamming out, listening to music, duh. So yeah, 3 hours, that's not too bad at all. I use no heat on my hair whatsoever this whole entire process, you guys, so that's good. My head is starting to get a little tender now that like I'm brushing like the middle, you know, that last braid that be like in the middle, it'd be like oh. But I just wanted to like slow this down for you guys, and since it's the last braid, I wanted to go in depth as to like what I was doing this whole entire time and what my technique was. I'm literally doing the same thing that I did with the very first braid that I let you guys watch me do. I also wanted to let y'all know that out of the 5 packs of hair, I only used 2 packs. This is literally the last little bundle from the last pack, and I'm not about to use all this because I still have this much from the second bundle in the pack, y'all. And all I'm doing is I'm taking pieces of hair, this much hair, 6 times, so 6 pieces of these. If your hair is thinner, you can use thicker pieces depending on how big like your parts and stuff are. But yeah, so just make it to your liking, and I'm putting it aside so when I'm braiding I can just boom 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 and grab it, you know. Let me know what other hairstyles y'all want me to do and I will do them. I have 3 full packs of hair left over. Going in with this along my edges. I'm not being light-handed with that at all. I'm going to part it down the middle, and I'm going to put some in the middle. Now I'm going to go on my brush, and I'm going to smooth everything out, and then now we're about to braid. So I take my sections from this way, not from this way, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to make sure the braid stays as much in the middle of the part as possible. You don't want no lopsided looking braid. Cross this over. Let me move so you guys can see. Cross this over. I got this piece and then this piece, right? And I'm just going to cross that piece over.
Angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same. Sorry. I'm sorry.
And then I'm going to smooth it out. I'm going to tighten it like that and cross it over again. Tighten it and cross it over again. And then boom. Now I'm going to feed in some braiding here. As you're working your way down, continue to grab more of the shine and gem, really whichever one you prefer. This has more hold to it, so for my front braids I started using that one, and boom, that's how you start your braids, you guys. Now you're just going to continuously feed in the hair. What I did was I made sure my 6th piece of hair got added before I got to the last part of my actual hair, if that makes sense. So I'm going to continuously add. Once I get almost to the last part of my hair, that's when I'm going to add that last piece of hair. That's how you keep your braids looking all the same. Alright y'all, now we add in that 6th piece of hair. You see I'm adding it right before I get to the end of my actual hair. So once you're done with your whole entire head like I am, I'm going to go in and put some light little edges around my edges. You see I didn't leave very much hair out. I just left enough for my liking. And then I'm going to go ahead and dip the ends, you guys. So I'll come back when everything is done. I did my edges, y'all. It's giving beauty salon. It's giving... I don't gotta pay to get my hair done no more. That hair gonna be slicked down. Alright, so our water is done. So we're about to go ahead and dip these ends. That's not rocket science, you guys. You just get some hot water, dip these shits, and go down the thing of it. That's gonna make your braids not so stiff. Okay, you don't want stiff braids. You don't be walking around here looking like alfalfa. You know what I'm saying? Alright you guys, I hope you really enjoyed that tutorial. I tried to go in depth as much as I could. Comment down below if it was very informational to you, if you tried the hairstyle out and it worked out for you as well. I really want to know. Like I said before, I only use 2 packs of hair when completing this hairstyle. I use 6 pieces of hair each, like you've seen in the tutorial. But nonetheless, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at mainb2_. Follow me on TikTok at mainb1_. We're growing. I hope you guys are willing to grow with me. Keep smashing that like button. Make sure you guys are subscribing. Please turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post another mother freaking video. And it's up and it's stuck in the game. I will see you guys a little bit later. Like I said before, I have some things that I'm working on. So please, 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 please stay tuned for the next video. Love you guys. Bye.